Kung iba siguro yun, pwedeng interpretation natin, I told you, you're going to deny me 3 times. When the rooster crowed, it was a reminder for him that he was too confident about himself, about his strength, na nakalimutan niya only by God's grace that we can go and continue. Ang sabi ng verse 62, umalis siya ng courtyard, crying, weeping. And I believe this is the first stage to restoration. Ang first stage ng restoration after you fail. Listen to me. Pagkatapos mo magkamali, pagkatapos mong bumagsak, huwag mong i-minimize ang mistake. Huwag mong i-justify ang mistake. Huwag mong i-rationalize ang mistake. Huwag ka na mag-excuse. Huwag mo nang i-downplay. I-process mo yung sakit. Kung kinakailangan umiyak ka. Kasi you cannot force healing. You cannot rush healing. Hindi mo mababypass ang process. Hindi mo shortcut ang process. You need to heal and you need to recover. Now think about this. Every time natitilaok yung manok, every morning, from that point on, ano kayang tumatakbo sa isip ni Peter? Na habang natutulog siya, tilaok. Is it as if it became a reminder for him about his failure? Pinapaalala ng tilaok ng manok